Upon delivery, you are responsible for checking that the products are in good condition and that they comply with the delivery order. Please refer to the Norbec documentation in case items are missing or broken. Before you begin installation, make sure you wear the appropriate protective equipment. Unwrap the pallets and make sure you have all the necessary panels to assemble the cold room. Inspect the panels for damage. Next, prepare the installation surface and make sure the floor is clean and level. If the flatness does not meet Norbec's requirements, the slab must be corrected. If the cold room doesn't require a floor, you'll need to install screeds. Cut the screeds at a 45-degree angle and install them on the floor. Apply a bead of silicone on the back of the screed before laying it on the floor. Secure PVC U-screeds to concrete floor with 1-inch drive nails supplied by Norbec. To avoid any condensation, install the cold room 2 or 3 inches from the walls. The panels are stacked from heaviest to lightest so that the floor panels are always at the bottom of the stack. Identify the floor panels and place them according to your layout. Norbec panels are covered with a protective film. This protective film should only be removed when you are ready to install each panel. Place the first panel on the ground and make sure it's level and square. Do the same with the second floor panel and make sure they line up perfectly. Use the key supplied with the installation kit to lock each of the floor panel cam locks together. Repeat these steps with all floor panels. Now that the floor panels are securely locked together, continue with the wall panels. Start by installing 2 corner panels at the back of the cold room. Make sure it is perfectly aligned with the corner of the floor panel. Also, make sure that they are square and aligned with the outside surface of the cold room. Proceed with the installation of the ceiling panels as you assemble the walls. Slide the first ceiling panel until it lines up with the corners. Then secure it to the wall panels. If the door is shipped in 2 sections, install the door first, then install the top panel. Continue the cold room installation with the central partition. Finally, apply the finishing caps to conceal the cam lock holes. Silicone may be required for installation. Apply a silicone seal to each panel joint at this step if necessary.